Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech. And in this session what we are going to learn. In this session I am going to share with you how you can use online cloud database completely free for your projects, or you can simply use this database for practicing how to send any your data on the cloud database. Simple. So we will basically use the app right cloud. So before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Also friends, please join our channel. It will help us to create more and more unique videos. So let's get started. So friends, as I mentioned, today I will share with you how you can send your data on AppWrite using Python. So basically we have here object detection method. So in last session we create object detection with the help of YOLO 12. We detect the vehicles using a single line, and we track the vehicle, then we crop the image and we send that crop image to Gen AI vision agent. So our vision agent will recognize the car color or vehicle company. So in this session we will use the same code, and we will send that particular data on this AppWrite cloud. Simple. So for that, first we are going to create account on AppWrite. It is completely free. You have to simply log in with your Gmail ID. So this is the website. I will mention the link. You need to simply copy paste the link inside web browser. So this is what their main page, AppWrite. That's it. Then here you have to mention your Gmail ID. So I will mention my Gmail ID. So friends, after login you will see this kind of page. Welcome to AppWrite. So first we want to create a new organization. So you can mention any name. So let's just say I will mention here my YT project. Simple. And then we will select the plan. So as I mentioned, we will select free plan. So just go here and free plan. So just select it, click on create a project. So it will create basically organization. As you can see, it's created the new project, or we can say it's created the organization, which is my YT project. Done. So now what we want to do, we want to simply click on here create project. So just click on here create project, and we want to mention the project name. So I will mention the project name like this way, YOLO 12, or you can mention any name, YOLO 12 Gen AI, YOLO 12 Gen AI. And the project ID, so the project ID mention as same as. So just click on this project ID, copy the name, copy it and just paste it. So this is what my project ID. Click on next, and then here you want to select the region. So for free you have only one region, so this is what the by default region. So just click on create. Now we created the project. So we have now project. As you can see, it's creating. So we created the project, and the project name is YOLO 12 Gen AI. So after creating project, it will automatically open this kind of page. As you can see, this is the page. So here we want to create the API key for projects, of course. So API key, just selected the option. Here you simply need to mention the API key name. So let's just say my key, and then here we are going to select the by default option, which is the never. Simple. So mention the name, API key, and select the by default option, which is the never. Click on next, and we need all services. So just click on select all, then just create it. So we created the API key. So now we have our API key. As you can see, this is what our API key. Then so we created our API key. Now we want our database. So just click on database, and here we will create the database. So just click on create databases and mention any name. So let's just say I will again mention the same name, YOLO 12 Gen AI, YOLO 12 Gen AI. Again, just click on database ID, mention the same ID, just copy it and then just paste it, and then just click on create. It will create the database. Basically this is the name, and then we have create collection option. You don't want to go click on for next page, it will automatically forward you on the next page. Simple. So we created YOLO 12 Gen AI. This is basically my database, and then we want to create a collection. So just click on create collection, and collection you can mention data. This is the collection name. You can mention any name. Just click on collection ID and mention the same name. Just copy it and then just paste it. Done. Click on create. So now we created, if you go here in database, we created database. This is what our database name. If you click on this name, we have this is basically our collection. So we have data is the collection. Now let me go back. So this is what our collection. If you click on this collection, we will get the attributes option. So just select the attributes, and here we want to mention the column. This is basically, we can say, the attributes. The attributes, how we want to send the data, like the table, like let's just say we want to send a date, we want to send here, we want to send the car color, the company. So this is what my attributes. Simple. So we created a database, we created basically, this is the data is basically the collection. YOLO 12 Gen AI is our database name, and a data is our collection name. That's it. So now I have created a new repository. I will mention the link inside description box. Simply copy paste the link and just go to the code, click on download zip. It will download our zip format repository. As you can see, we successfully downloaded. Just open our downloads and right click and then click on extract all, click on extract. It will extract our repository. Done. So this is what our repository. And then friends, inside repository, first we will simply send the data using Python code. In this code we don't have any object detection method. This is the basic method how to send any data using Python to AppWrite database server. So for that I have mentioned test appwrite.py. So this is the test appwrite.py code, and we created here .env file. So if you go here, file, open, and we have to select here all files. So just select it all files, and then it will open .env. So this is what our .env. Simple. So for AppWrite, we want to install AppWrite package. So go to the tools, and let me show you again. Go to the tools and manage packages, and then just search for AppWrite. Hit enter. First package, AppWrite. Click on install button. Done. It will install AppWrite. That's it. And then we need .env. So .env. Hit enter. As you can see, handle .env files. So select it and click on install button. It will handle .env files. Simple. So it's installing, as you can see. So we successfully installed .env package. So we install AppWrite package, we install .env package, this one .env. That's it. Now simply inside .env we want to mention the AppWrite endpoint, then AppWrite project, then AppWrite key, and then this is the Google API key for Gemini. But right now we are going to only test how to send the data using AppWrite basic method. So in .env now we will mention all the keys. So open their website. So here we created the database, we created the collection. Now we want to mention here AppWrite endpoint. So how do we get AppWrite endpoint? So just open their website and then go to the setting here. Just click on it and here it is, as you can see, API endpoint. So this is what app write endpoint. Just click on here, copy, open it, and just mention as it is. Done. And then app write project. So just open it here, app write project ID. We have API endpoint. After that we have project ID. Just copy it and just paste it. Done. And the API key. So API key, simply here view API key, as you can see, just click on it and then just go down, and this is what the API key, as you can see. Just click on it. When you click on it, it will open the page, go up, and this is what our API key. Just copy it, open it, and then just paste it. Done. So we mention all the things. Sorry, I have mentioned here in Google API key, so I need to mention here app write API key. Perfect. Now we have our app write endpoint, we have app write project, we have app write key. Simple. So just save it. Now friends, here we want to create, as I mentioned, we want to create here. If I go again database, we create the database. Just click on it in name. We create the collection. So this is what my collection name, which is the data. And now we want to create the attributes. So just click on attributes. So in code, the attributes is basically the number plate and the number plate, date and the current date, and time and the current time. That's it. So we need this particular 3 attributes. So just copy as it is. So copy it, open it, and click on create attributes, click on string, and just paste it, and here mention the size 100. Just remove the check mark from the null, just click on create. It will create the new attributes, which is the number plate. Now again click on create attributes, string, and we will go here in our code. Just copy date, copy it, open it, just paste it, and mention the 100 size. Uncheck the none, click on create. Then create attribute, string, and then the last one, which is the time. Copy it and then just paste it. Again 100, uncheck the null, click on create. So we create the attributes. Now friends, inside the code, we want to mention our database ID and we want to mention our collection ID. So for database and collection, again we will click on here database icon, and this is what my database ID, as you can see, database ID. So just copy it and then just paste it here. And then the collection ID, just click on this name and then you will get the collection. So this is what my collection ID, copy it and then just paste it. Done. Now let's just save the code, and if you run the code, as you can see, document created. So if you open here and if you go here in name data, and inside the documents, let me refresh it. Inside documents, as you can see, it's created the new document. And if you go here in columns, we have number plate. So this is what my number plate. We have date and we have timing. As you can see, this is what my number plate, F7777. This is what my number plate. Simple. So this is the basic code for sending data to app write. That's it. So now we know that we successfully sending our data. Now we want to simply use our last session code where we are detecting the object, the vehicle, using YOLO12, and we will detect the color of the vehicle, we will detect the company name, we have track ID. So we will send all this information to app write, the online cloud database server. So for that, I will close this test app write, and .env file will be remain same, and we need here Google API key. So let me open the Google API key website. So friends, I have opened the Gemini API key website. Click on get Gemini API key. Then I have already created one API key which I will deleted, and then just click on create API key, mention any of your old project, create API key, it will generate the new API key. Copy it and open our .env and just mention it here. That's it, save it. Done. Now we will open our new code, which is this one, tracker.py. So tracker.py, inside that tracker.py we have object counter class, which is we use in last session. So with the help of this code we will detect the object, and here it is. As you can see, this is what the app write. Here we want to mention your app write database ID. Simple. So we created new database ID, so we want to mention that database ID name over here. So our database, let me close this Gemini API key, all these things, and then our database ID. So again I will go here, this is what my database ID, just copy it and just mention it. And the collection, so I will just click on name, we will get the collection ID, so just copy it and then just paste it. Now for this we created new columns. So we want to again go here, data attributes, we want to delete this old attributes and we are going to create a new attribute. So just go here, delete, again delete, done. So now we will create a new attribute. So just click on create attribute, string, open our code, and the first attribute is, which is the ID. So just copy as it is, ID, and then just paste it, mention the size 100, null, uncheck, click on create. It will create the ID, which is our first attribute. Then again create attributes, string, and then just copy direction, just copy as it is, and then just paste it, size 100, uncheck the null, create, it will create the direction. Then we have color name, car color basically, so copy it and then create attribute, string, same way 100, uncheck the null, create, again here company name and timestamp, company name, create attribute, string, 100, null, create, then create attributes, and the last one, which is the timestamp, copy it and just mention timestamp, mention the size 100, uncheck, click on create. That's it. So all the other things are same, because we don't delete our database, we do not deleted our collection ID. So all the things are same, only we created a new attributes. Simple. So now we are ready. I think we need our video file. So inside that code I have mentioned the vid.txt file. So we will just copy the link and just paste it here, hit enter. We will download our video file from the repository. I have mentioned here vid.txt file. Inside that I have mentioned the link of the video file. The video is basically the old video where we use this video for our old video where we detect the object using yellow 12 object, in the sense we detect the vehicle, we crop the object, means we crop a vehicle, we send crop vehicle image to Gen AI, and Gen AI will recognize what is the color of the vehicle and the company name. So if you don't know, watch my previous video, you will get the idea. That's it. So in this video we use all the things same, only we are sending the data to local to app write cloud, free. You have to only create your account with Gmail. Simple. So friends, we successfully downloaded our video file. Let's just close the cloud link, and I will close all these things also. We have here downloads. This is what our video file. Right click, close, cut, and mention it in our repository, paste it, and then now we will open our main code. So go to the file, open, and main code is yellow12 track.py, where we want to mention our video file name. So our video file name is vid1.mp4, and let me yes, I have already mentioned the 0. So 0 is basically for freezing the frame. So let's just run the code. It will first download our yellow12 n.pt model. As you can see, yellow12 n.pt. Here you can use yellow8 also, you can go with yellow11 also. Simple. So this is what our line. So now we have all the things I have already explained in previous video. So the main thing is what we want to check our entries, our data is going on the cloud. So let's just save it and run the code. So we counted first vehicle, second, third. So if I stop the code and if I open the app, right, if you go here in documents, and as you can see, this is what the latest documents 1432, this is what my latest document. So I have to just go here in column, and this is what our attributes. Just click on it, click on it, click on it, click on it, click on it. Then as you can see, the ID is 2 and car color is silver, Mercedes Benz, this is the timestamp, created and updated, and direction is in. As you can see, direction is in. This is the first car, first vehicle which detected and this is the ID for each car, and the direction, car is going in or out. Then this is the vehicle car color, and this is the company name. As you can see, the Mercedes Benz and Toyota. This is the timestamp, and this is basically the created and updated date. So this is how, friends, you can send your local data to AppWrite server completely free. Now how to delete all these things? Simple. So here what we want to do, we want to go, let me show you here. We want to go here in setting. Just go to the setting, come down, and here you will see the delete option. Just delete it, and here you want to mention your project name. So just copy as it is, copy it, and then just paste it. Click on delete. Now it will delete the project. Now you can create here new project. So now if you go here in this setting, here you will delete your project also, the my project. Click on delete, and you can mention here your name, which is my project. Just copy it and paste it, delete it. Done. Now from here again you will create the new organization, then all the things which I have already shared with you. Simple. So I hope you will learn something from this video. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.